If you are learning to code but still don't know about GitHub, then you are making the one of the biggest mistake as the beginner. In the few minutes, I will explain you about the GitHub so simply that you will wonder why it feels confusing. So, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have recently started learning programming or web development, you are probably heard people were talking about GitHub all the time. Maybe you have wondered what actually is GitHub. Is it same as Git? Do I really need to learn GitHub? So don't worry, in this video I will explain GitHub in a simplest way. So what is GitHub? Imagine you are writing a project like a portfolio website or a calculator. Now you have to save it online and access it from the another computer and share it with your friends or show it to the recruiters. That's where GitHub comes in. GitHub is the platform where developers tools manage and share their codes. Think of it as the Google Drive for your code, but with many extra features designed especially for developers. Git or GitHub. Lots of beginners get confused here between the Git and GitHub. So here is the easiest way to understand it. So Git is the tool that keeps track of changes in your code. GitHub is a website or a platform where you can upload or store your project using the Git tools. So Git is a version control tool and GitHub is an online platform for hosting Git projects. So they are related but they are not the same things. Why should beginners learn GitHub? You might think I'm just learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So do I really need GitHub? The answer is yes. GitHub helps you for backup of your projects and it helps for building your portfolio and collaborating with others or contribute to open source projects. And most important, showcase your work to recruiters. Many companies even offer for your GitHub profile during interviews. Watch this, that is your GitHub profile. What is repository? One word you will hear a lot, that is repository, or in simply it's repo. A repository is just a folder that contains your projects. For example, you have made a weather app. That weather app have its own repository. If you are made another portfolio or a project that have another repository. So basically, one project have one repositories. So here is questions that what can you store on GitHub? You can upload almost any coding projects, for example HTML website, React projects, Python program, Java applications, C++ code and machine learning projects, documentations and notes and many more. Basically, if it's code, GitHub can store it. Basic GitHub workflow. Here's what actually happens. First, create your projects on your computers. Then initialize Git. After that, you connect it to GitHub. And finally, you upload your codes in GitHub. Whenever you make changes, you simply push to updated versions to GitHub. This way, every version of your project stays safe and stored in the GitHub. So, why developers mostly use GitHub? Developers use GitHub because it makes teamwork much easier. Imagine 5 people were working on the same projects. Instead of sending zip files to each other, everyone works together on GitHub. It also keeps tracks of who made and which changes. That's why almost every software company uses GitHub.